guys, let's put this video in my mini block of 3D. Yes, that is the big the two piston machine crush dead challenge wolf versus rhino with a look. It fighting the rhino. No, the rhino escape. Not the escape like that. Boom. Wait. Stop. The rhino would teleport after. Stop. Burned again the gas. Boom. It weakened the rhino. Slowly. And now downgrade the health. The wolf feared of the rhino. The wolf is feared by a rhino after losing health bar. Yep. Try again. Not assembly. Add more wolf. Boom! It teleports the rhino. No, gets stuck for a while. Boom! It vanished into underground. And now it's exit. He died due to ongoing. Wait, stop. The machine is stopped. Yun. Yes. Nah, look. Look at this. Boom! He teleports. He's fighting over, look. Boom! The rhino. It escaped. It escaped the rhino at top. Boom. Stop. Yes, they are fighting. Always choose technique. Stop now. It's getting old. If I accidentally shoot the crossbow on the glass, it will destroy. Boom! It vanished. The boy is totally. Goodbye, boy. Yes. Yan. Look. Boom! Look, it teleports. Boom! Get stuck. It dies. Due to ongoing. Wait a minute. Look at two rhinos. No. Boom! Get trapped. Red. Losing health. No, it teleports outside. While the one rhino. Boom! Rapidly. Boom. Wait, stop now. Without stopping a fire, it would burn eventually. Oh yeah. Experience. Only one experience. Now the wolf is further. The one is going back. Just go in the back room. The infinite. Completely vanish. And add it touch. Boom. Jam. Boom. Get trapped. Oh my god. They're fighting the rhino and wolf. No. Yes. Nope. Look at this. Oh my god. Boom. Na. Red losing health rapidly. No, it feared the wolf. It fears the wolf and then dies. Boom. Get jam. Boom. It loses the heart rapidly or health rapidly. Losing more health until the animal died. Boom. Lose. The one died. Boom. Dead. Now it's 3 wolves. I mean 3 rhino. Oh no. The one died. Ooh. Red. Not. It's just. It causing. Boom. It stalks by the glass or sock. Suck. But at this point, look. My turn. Look. Yes. Subscribe.